we continue on. Now we are still on translations, graphing the image. We're not gonna head to the formulas just yet. And what this problem is asking us to do is asking us to graph the image of square TUVW after a translation 9 units left and 10 units up. Last time I did 9, I went up 9 first because it was just, it was the longer distance. But in this case, as you can see, 9 and 10, there's only a difference of 1. So it really doesn't matter if we go up left or if we go up or left first. It's really a matter of preference. I think I am going to start 9 units to the left. And again, we always want to start at the very base, the very corner. Since this is a square, that means either T or U. And I want to start with the U because it is on the farther side, as to not confuse ourselves. And you might be asking, well, how am I going to confuse myself? Well, you see, I confused myself when I did it, when I took T and I moved it all the way right here, and then I said, okay, yeah, this is 9 spaces. I'm going to go over here to the 2 because there's a distance of 2 and 2 and 2. And I'm going to say that's the right answer. But that's not the right answer because what I had done is I had moved T. I did not move U. Notice that this would be T, considering the position of the letters. This would be U and this would be T. But I counted the distance from T. And then I said, okay, well, this is going to be alpha U. It's not alpha U. Wait, no, let me repeat that. What I did was I took T. Yeah, no, that is right. So I took T and I said, okay, this is going to be the new position, and I'm going to, and judging on how I made the square, I changed this from alpha T to alpha U, and that's incorrect because what this is this is actually alpha T because it's 9 from the original T coordinate, not the U coordinate. So that's why I think it's really important to always go from the farthest and lowest point, which in this case is U, from the direction that we want to go because we want to go left. If we wanted to go right, I would pick T because it's the farthest one. Okay, so now that we have established why we are not using T in this instance, we're going to start with U. So we're going to move 9 units to the left from U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. Ignore this. And then we're going to start from V, because again it's the furthest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, let me do that one more time. So we said this is alpha U now, because that's 9 spaces away. And then we're going to move V, so this will be alpha V. And now we're going to count from T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to count from W, 9 spaces. So, oh my gosh, this is a really weird graphing tool. But that is now our shape, based on the counts that we made. Now let's try to submit it. See if we got it right. See, now look what happened. I only moved 9 to the left, and I didn't move 10 units up. That's why we are incorrect. So really remember, don't get too overwhelmed by, oh my gosh, I have to move 9, and think, okay, I'm done. We're not done. Always reread the problem. That is my biggest issue, personally, so that is what happened, and that's how we got it wrong. But notice that this is where we had it, and if we had moved it up 10, then we would have gotten it. So we were halfway correct, computer. Oh, it's a bigger rectangle now. It is asking us to graph the image of rectangle RSTU after a translation 3 units to the left. It's giving us a much simpler question now. Thank you very much. So we only have to do one direction of moving. And we are going to start with S. Why? Because we're moving to the left and it is the lowest and farthest point. So S, we're going to find alpha S by moving 3 units. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Now to look at R, we're going to find alpha R, 1, 2, 3. Now for U, because this line thing's going to be all weird, 1, 2, and 3. And this T is going to be 1, 2, 3 right here. Notice real quick, notice how the angles were all wrong from here and our new point of alpha S. This graphing tool is nice in the sense that we can actually see that happen. That was Titus. He says hello. So now that is our new rectangle of alpha R, alpha S, alpha T, and alpha U. Let's see if we got it right this time. We did!
What's that? Be high again. Bye again.
Alright, so next one. Graph the image of triangle PQR after a translation of 9 units left and 1 unit down. Okay, so this one is a little easier. And again, I'm going to move 1 unit down first because it is a much simpler translation to do, and then we'll move 9 units to the left. So what point we're going to start with is R, because it is the furthest point. So we'll move it 1 down right here. And that means Q comes down 1, and P comes down 1. Very simple. Now to move it to the left, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me undo these. So keep in mind this is where the new R is. And we're going to move it to 9 points to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Now, Q, we went 1 down, so now we have to move 9 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point P, we moved 1 down, so notice it's on the x-axis. And we're going to just move all the way from 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to submit it. We got it! Okay. And then we will continue on with a couple more questions in the next video.